Hello class and welcome to week 9 of English 101 online. For this week in English 101, you'll be working still in the health module. For this week, you'll be doing the second posting of the health module. I'm just going to go to it very briefly and show you what we will be looking at. You'll be doing the health discussion post 2, and this is regarding different topics of health, of the foods we eat, and so forth. And you will be responding to 2 other posts by the end of the week as well. Looking ahead, as I go back to the calendar, you will see that you should begin writing your health essay pretty soon. And for the peer reviews, you're going to be asked to evaluate the sources of your peers. So be on the lookout for that as the week unfolds for next week. But for this week, week 9, you will be looking at and reading the articles for the health module and doing the posting for the health posting too. I hope that this was helpful. Thank you.